Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a K-pop journal spread for the 6-year anniversary of BTS's song War of Hormone. And I just think we can all take a 6-minute and 51-second break from feminism to appreciate this song. It came out 6 years ago, I believe October of 2014, and it's just a masterpiece. Okay, it really is. It's so good. When I first started standing BTS, this was one of the videos that I watched like a lot. The aesthetic is fantastic. Tae looks like a punk rock Count Olaf, and it's just amazing. Like, all of it is just great, and I just really love this song in this video. I'm sorry, but I just will never get over it. I just love it so much. So yeah, I really wanted to do a spread to celebrate the anniversary of it. I've talked about before in previous videos that I want to do like anniversary spreads for songs that I haven't made spreads of, because like they happened before I started my K-pop journal or before I was in ARMY, but I want to still like pay homage to them somehow. Or sometimes, like for Fake Love, for instance, I did make a spread for Fake Love, but I didn't really like it, so I wanted like another crack at it, so I did one for the anniversary. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I think that's all that I have to say about the spread so far. So once I started putting the letters up onto the spread, I realized that the red didn't really match with the pictures, so I pulled out a different darker reddish color, maroon color marker, and colored over the red, and it went a lot better with it. I originally wanted to do like red paper in the background too, but I didn't have the right color, because like when you look at it, it's like, oh, it's red, but it really doesn't look red. Like, if that makes sense, like if I put an actual red piece of paper next to the red in this video, it's not really the same color because of like the saturation and stuff. So yeah, and also I decided to just do WOH instead of writing out the whole title of the song. I mean, we mostly call it that when we're referring to the song, and I just thought that it would, I don't know, be a little bit better than having just like, sometimes titles that are like super long can just be really like wordy and like take up a lot of of space. So yeah, I just decided to go with WOH. Oh, and also when I'm doing like drop shadows and I'm using just like a plain gray for a drop shadow, I almost always use like cool gray colors because I just feel like that's like your typical drop shadow. But for this one, I thought that the warm grays that I have would like look better, and it really matched so well. I'm really, really happy that I decided to make that decision. So here's a look at the final spread. I really, really like how it turned out. I'm glad that I just did that random hello, hello. I think it looks really cool, and obviously it's like a big part of the chorus. Yeah, I'm really happy with the spread. I like how it turned out a lot, and I'm glad that we were able to pay homage to a wonderful classic. Anyways, if you like this spread and you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!